Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Extreme video for Wednesday, the 21st of December. James Spann here. Maybe a day tomorrow with strong to severe storms around here. That'll be our focus. In the short term, let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the Alpha Skycam network this afternoon. First off, the view coming from downtown Birmingham, high atop the Daniel Building, looking north. It's cloudy, but the heavier showers have moved on to the south and east. That is the view coming from the campus of the University of Montevallo in Shelby County. Very mild, readings well up in the 60s this afternoon. And the palm trees at Gulf Shores at Christmas time. You know, they've got those wrapped with Christmas lights. They look really nice at night. That's right there at the public beach. All right, waves 1, 2, and 3 on the water vapor satellite view. You can see number 1 north of us, number 2 in the southwest, number 3 over Idaho. That last one's going to get us Christmas weekend. And the one over the southwest will get us tomorrow. Doing the video a little early today. These are actually 11 a.m. temperatures. And look at Montgomery at 71. They'll probably be in the mid-70s by the time you watch this. And we could see low 70s easily tomorrow as a very warm day sets up. But around the nation, notice it's much colder back to the west. And that's pretty much been the scoop with this positive North Atlantic oscillation. Cold in the west, relatively mild in the east. We're going to cool down a bit this weekend. Highs go back in the 50s, but nothing really dramatically cool for this time of the year for the Christmas weekend. Check the radar, and what you see there is what you get. That's about midday today. That was around the lunch hour. Heavy rain falling over in Randolph County in East Alabama, down to Mellow Valley, Rockford, Verbena, Billingsley, and Selma. Little scattered light rain behind that. There's the watch warning map. Winter weather issues out west. Things are quiet here in the southeast. Check the convective outlooks. This is the rest of today and tonight. Got the standard slight risk way up north. Ohio, West Virginia, toward Pittsburgh. But tomorrow, this is the focus for us. We got the standard slight risk over a pretty good chunk of north and west Alabama. It includes Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Huntsville, Fayette, Hamilton, York, Livingston, Demopolis, and then down into Mississippi and southeast Louisiana toward Baton Rouge. And we'll take a look at the details here in a moment. And a good soaking through the weekend. This is valid through Monday morning of next week at 6 o'clock. This is suggesting 2 to 3 inch range for a large part of Alabama. The bullseye, 3.1 inches around Pell City. All right, here we go, model fans. This is the 12Z GFS at noon tomorrow at 500 millibars. Energy coming at us from the west, another wave back in the Four Corners. And down below that, convection increases during the day. We'll check the RPM. This is valid tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. And this run not as bullish with the strong storms. This is the 12Z run. It's got the heavier storms down in South Florida, in essence cutting off the deeper moisture flow up in here. Could that happen? Yes, it might. But we never know until this stuff gets on the board. The instability values have come down on this run. The Cape values are lower for the northern part of the state, clearly higher down south, down in South Alabama. Values are running over 1,500 joules in some cases down there. So this latest RPM kind of suggesting it might be more of a South Alabama problem. This is the significant tornado parameter, the STP. These numbers have come down. They're basically running less than 1. That's the green where you see the shades of yellow. That's 1 to 1.5. But clearly the numbers are lower on this run, and that's great news. But again, look at the dew points. This is coming off the FIM model. They're going up there. The yellow, that's dew points up in the 60s. And, you know, we could see temperatures up in the low 70s. So let's say you got 72 degrees with a dew point of 62. That's pretty ripe for severe weather for December. And look at the winds at 850 millibars. It's about 5,000 feet, the low-level jet, if you will. Pretty strong. Not, you know, highly backed. But again, really below that, down toward the surface, there is some backing. So, you know, everything is there. It's certainly, you know, not a screaming severe weather setup, but we'll have to watch the radar. The timing of day is good for severe weather. Tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. So we'll watch for storms that could produce some strong winds. Maybe an isolated tornado. We sure can't rule that out. All right, Friday, everything's on by. The day should be a little cooler. Highs dropping back around 60, if this is right. And the dew points drop down into the 40s and even upper 30s. So, you know, we might We might see a few peaks of sunshine on Friday. Wouldn't that be exciting? But probably not much. But Saturday, here comes the final wave. This is Christmas Eve, and the global models are in good agreement now, so we'll just kind of roll with the GFS. We'll see clouds increasing, be kind of a cool day, highs in the 50s. We'll go to Saturday night at midnight. Rain is in here. Old St. Nick will need the umbrella. And Christmas Day at noon, Sunday, the rain begins to taper off. So looks like the best chance of rain with this will be late Saturday, Saturday night, Christmas morning. Cool and stable, no storms, rain amounts probably 1/2 inch or so. And then Monday of next week, we are dry and, by golly, mostly sunny. Seasonal temperatures, highs in the upper 50s. Tuesday, that next wave in the Gulf that the GFS keeps south of here, but don't be shocked if it brings it farther north with time. I think we'll probably leave just a chance of some light rain in there on Tuesday to cover that. And then Wednesday, that feature is on by, and that looks dry and again seasonal. By seasonal, we're talking highs in the 50s, lows in the 30s. Check New Year's Day. No cold air with that look. Down below that will be dry and seasonal. Now, the end of the forecast, the GFS wants to try and pump up a ridge over the western part of the continent with a downstream trough and pretty good cold air dropping in here. That's a 1040 high over Idaho with a front coming in here. But again, in this pattern, it's going to be hard to get a lot of that down in here. And we all know that's in the land of voodoo. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.